So Discord developers, welcome to our another new video. So in this video I will tell you about a fast and good hosting and will teach you step by step how you can host your Discord bot 24/7 for free. So as you know that our economy bot series is going on. So today we will host this economy bot. And by following these steps you can also host your Discord bot very easily. So first of all you have to open your browser and visit sillydev.co.uk. After that you have to click on join here or you will come to the login page. From here you can also sign up, or if you don't have account then click on authenticate with your Discord. So I quickly authenticate with my Discord. After that you will go to this page. After that when you click on the shop icon here and you will see a lot like create server, buy resources, from where you can buy the resources of your hosting. When you click on the resources tab, you will see a lot of things like RAM, CPU which you can buy with credits, that is also free. Or when you come to the balance tab, you will see your available credit and also how to earn credits. It is very easy. You have to keep this tab open or you have to stay on the tab. You get 5 credits for spending 1 minute on this site, with which you can buy more resources. When you come to create server, here you can give the name of your server and server description. And you can see other things here too, but I will leave these as default. And here at the bottom you will get the deployment. Here we have to select some things which are important. So first of all there are available nodes here. There are 2, you can select any one. I am selecting this one. After that, I select coding languages in Server Nest. Or here in Server Egg you can see that you have got many languages like Python, Rust, TypeScript. Our bot is on Node.js, so that's why I select Node.js. After that you have to click on create server and your server creation will start. Then in just a short time your server will be created. So you can see that our server has been created, and as soon as your server is created, you will also receive an email. And here above you will see all the tabs from where you can manage your server. So now I am telling you the next steps. I have come to my desktop where here is my bot folder. I have to open it and do not add node modules and .npm folder. You can compress your important folders by selecting them and right-clicking on them. After that you have to go to your hosting and here you have to go to files and select your zip folder from here. After that you have to unarchive it by clicking on 3 dots here. After that you can delete this. After that we have to do some setting before starting our bot, for which we have to come to our startup tab or write bot start file here. If you are using my package then you have to type src/index.js here, or if you are using any other package, you have to give the path of its main file. Or after that we have to come here, or here we have to give the name of the packages which are used in our bot, like discord.js is used in our bot, .env is used Mongoose and MongoDB. After doing this, come to your console tab or click on start here. It took a little time for the first time because it installs the packages. After that it will start successfully. It is better to come to your startup tab after starting it or remove the packages from here, so that when we start the second time, these packages are not installed again. So you can see that our bot has been hosted. Now it will be online 24/7. So now let me tell you about these paid plans, in which you will get all these benefits. Better uptime, more available resources and better locations. So I have given a link in the description. If you click on it then you will go to this page. Here you have to click on create your account and give your username, email, password and confirm password. And make sure to type ethical in the referral code so you will get 15% discount. After that verify the CAPTCHA and click on the checkbox and click on create. Then you will come to this page. When you will click on servers or click on create server, this warning will be shown to you. You will have to link your Discord account. Quickly click on login with Discord and link your account. After that visit this page again, where now your account has been linked. Now you have to go to store and you will see all the prices shown here. It is very cheap, but trust me, it will give you very good performance. Whatever you want to buy from here, click on purchase and you can make payment through PayPal or Stripe here. And you can see how much discount you are getting because you used my referral code and at what good price you are getting it. After purchasing credits, come to your server or create a server and give all your details here. Then you will see all products here. You can see how many products are there for every type of bot, or you can also see the price here. And if you have credits then you can select from here, and then rest of the steps are the same which I have told you in the free plans. If you still face any issue then you can join Silly Development Discord server. I have given the link in the description, or you can also join our Discord server. Our team will help you.